time to Maiden the Havok. Everything's been checked out. Basically book rates. Got a 2700 zippy in here. Check the amp loading. Everything seems good. Let's plug her in. Stay away from that meat grinder. Four beeps. Lights are good. Battery's strapped in. Control check. Up, down, left, right, left, right, left, right. Throttle. Give a little air show.
Yeah, nice to build those.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Really only one thing left to do. This is my feeble attempt at a backstop. Should we need it? Feels good, feels balanced. She's wanting to nose up a little bit, but not terribly. I'm happy. Take it. I got some rocks and stuff I'm dealing with here, but it looks like, let's check out the skid. Oh yeah, she took a little dirt in the nose. Might have a rock in the engine. I heard a little crunchy crunch, but man, I will call that a very nice maiden flight. She is quick. She is quick. Whew. You guys know how it is. Maiden flights, they can be a little nerve-wracking. No two are usually alike. Let's check the battery voltage. I was very conservative. 3.5 minutes flight time. 4. Yeah, way conservative on my flight time. But there you have it. The Havok. It is well worth the $169. Cheap, affordable, fun, right here.